Metatrader4 winning strategy. This is another useful tools that anyone can use. I have combined few indicators together to give us this winning forex strategy. This strategy is meant for Metatrader4 and not Metatrader5. You cannot use this on the Rival platform. This indicator will make you money consistently if you master how to use the combination of these indicators together. On my chart right now, I am on the Great Britain pounds and the US dollar, and I would like to show you how to use this particular strategy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Do like my video and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that each time I share another winning strategy, you will be notified. Before you take any trade on a daily basis, please make sure you check Forex Factory, because this can affect your market negatively if it is against your analysis, and that is why it is advisable that you check Forex Factory on a daily basis or any other news aggregator before you move on with your trade. And make sure you do not trade either 30 minutes before or 30 minutes after. Let the market cool off or settle down before you take your trade. Now, this is how I use this particular indicator or this particular strategy. To look out for is the TMA band indicator. The candle must touch either the upper part of the band for a sell signal or the lower band of this indicator for a buy, and this star must be present. You can change the color anyway. The blue star here must be present for a sell. You may change it to red or any color you want, but I decided to use a blue color. And for a buy, this star must be present also. Then follow by this blue arrow for a buy, and your take profit will be the upper band and your stop loss will be at the lower 10 pips or few pips below the previous low here. And here is another sell signal that was generated here. We have the candle at the upper band of this indicator, followed by this star that do not repaint, then with this red arrow for a sell. And this is how to use this particular strategy. Here we have, that is why it is not good enough to use TMA indicator alone. Here we have it at the lower band. Here we have this star, though it moved up a bit but did not touch the upper band before another pull back and a serious move to the downside. It might have taken out your stop loss. And here we have another signal here generated. We have the star followed by the arrow, and this is how to use this particular strategy. When you check the current candle right now, it's at the upper band. We have the blue star here. The only thing we are waiting for is the red arrow for a sell. And this indicator, the time frame here, we have 1 minute to daily. Most of the time frame must be red. Most especially the lower time frame must be red before you place your trade. Here we have 1 and 5 minute red right now. So we are waiting for the arrow to confirm this direction before we take our trade. Now let's move back a bit and check the history. Here we have another sell also at this particular point. We have a sell here. All the indicators and in agreement. We have buy here. Here is another also, and we have a serious move here with this particular strategy. Here is another sell signal that was generated for this forex pair, and it did deliver way. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any time frame you want. Now let me show you the settings for all the indicators I use for this particular strategy, and I will show you how to set it up. Now I have a TMA indicator here, not repeating, but the challenge you are going to have, I have this same indicator multiple times on my chart. This is like a 7 times here on my chart, and because that's why you have this thick line here. I have different values, but not to stress you further, I will drop my template. Kindly check the video description. I'm going to drop the template so that you will attach my template after you've loaded the indicator on the indicator file. Just use only the template so that you will have a exact chart like mine, because I have different uh, value for the indicators. Despite the fact I use simple the same indicator, the band deviation differs, and I do not want you to go through that stress of setting this TMA indicator up 7 times. Just use my template. So the only thing I want from you is just your thumb up. If you've not subscribed, do subscribe also. So this is the setting for this indicator also, but not to worry, I will drop the template in my video description, and make sure you use the template. You will not need to set up any of the value here since you are using my template. But if you want to set it up, this is the values I use for this particular indicator. All about this strategy. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and do give me a thumb up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.